Okay, so I'm going to sing a song. You might know it, and it's dead easy. You could, if you don't know words, you can follow it the music because there's only like 3 chords and it's G, C, and D basically. So you soon get the hang of it. But it was done by the Nancy Griffiths, if you know her. So it's called "Speed of the Sound of Loneliness." So it goes a bit like this. You come on home, baby, come on early. You come on big when you're feeling small. You come on home late and early. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world came over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns its fever. I'm worried and a jealous mind. Well, kind of love that lasts forever get left so far behind. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of silent loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow has crossed the evil line today. Well, how can you ask about tomorrow when he ain't got one word to say? So what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of